7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, panic in the crypto market. Bitcoin has dumped below $20,000. It's currently trading for $19,000. Ethereum has come back to touch $1,000 for the first time since January 2021. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at the general crypto market. We're taking a look at Bitcoin market cap chart. How low can Bitcoin go? Is the bottom of Bitcoin in? Is 20K the bottom? Are we going to see a reversal very soon? Stablecoin dominance is getting to new all-time highs. We'll be talking about that. We'll also be looking at the total crypto market cap and the US dollar currency index. How will that affect Bitcoin? Are we going to continue dumping into the weekend, or are we going to pump because the market is still in extreme fear? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is going for $19,086. Bitcoin finally broke below 20,000. How low can Bitcoin go? Will Bitcoin bounce off the previous all-time high? Is the previous all-time high strong enough to hold Bitcoin and help us see a maybe 50% bounce back to around $28,000? Or are we going to continue dumping back to oblivion? Guys, from the bottom of the market for Bitcoin in 2018, Bitcoin pumped over 2,000%. It got to as high as $69,000. A lot of people are waiting for 100,000. A lot of people got sucked in at the top right here. But since November 2021, Bitcoin has been dumping, and we wanted Bitcoin to hold this $29,000 region because Bitcoin held there last year and we pumped into new all-time highs. A lot of people are postulating that Bitcoin might hold there, but Bitcoin has finally cracked through there, and now we're going to Goblin Town. I've been telling you guys in my previous updates that if Bitcoin doesn't hold this $29,000 region, we're going to Goblin Town right now. We're in the temporary support. We're in the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been here 3 times. Bitcoin was here in 2018, and Bitcoin was here in November 2020 before we broke into new all-time highs. Right now, a lot of people are in losses. The only people that are still in profit are those people that bought Bitcoin before November 2020. Guys, how low can Bitcoin go? In Bitcoin previous bear market, Bitcoin dumped over 83%. Will you repeat that in this bear market? Bitcoin dumped 83% in the previous bear market. It went from as high as 20,000 to as low as 3,100. Right now, Bitcoin is dumping from as high as 69,000. Bitcoin is at 19,000. It's currently going below 19,000. If Bitcoin does an 83% dump the way it did in the previous bear market, you might see Bitcoin go to as low as 10,000, maybe 11,000. Only time will tell where Bitcoin bottom will come in. But guys, I will actually be bidding to get some Bitcoin around $14,000 region. That will be very attractive to get. I expect Bitcoin to bounce at that region. You can see Bitcoin bounce maybe 100% there, back to 30K. Only time will tell. Guys, Ethereum has gone below $1,000 for the first time since January 2021, when it was going into new all-time highs. And you can see that was the point where Ethereum had the most volume. January 2021, when it was breaking above $1,000, also when people believed that, man, Ethereum is going to break a new all-time high. From the bottom of the market for Ethereum, guys, Ethereum pumped over 6,000%. If you invested $1,000 at the bottom of the market in Ethereum in December 2018, you got over $60,000 at the top here in November 2021. Crazy returns if you think about it. Even now that the market is dumping, if you invested in the bottom of the market, you invested in Ethereum, then you would still be up over 1,100%. But guys, anybody that bought Ethereum after the 4th of January 2021 is probably in loss right now, and you can see that that's where the most volume came for Ethereum. That means that's where retail investors started buying. So $1,000 hold for Ethereum, or are we going to dump further down? In the previous bear market for Ethereum, guys, we dumped over 94%. If we're going to do similar style move in this bear market, if Ethereum is dumping 94%, we might see Ethereum drop to as low as $300, maybe less than $300. But right now we're at $987. The next logical support for Ethereum will be around that $792, $800 region. If that level doesn't hold, we might see Ethereum get to as low as $360. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think the bottom is in, or do you think we're going to dump further down? You can see Bitcoin is tanking, and anytime you see this kind of candle, this is a capitulation candle. I'm assuming we are having the kind of scenario we had right here in November 2018. Now we don't know how low it can go. For my own money, I would think Bitcoin will come here to maybe 11,000. That would be max pain for a lot of people. You know, people are saying Bitcoin has not gone below its previous all-time high of the previous cycle. Right now, Bitcoin is changing that, and Bitcoin has actually done that before, but a lot of people just say that, and just as I say, Bitcoin has not gone below its previous cycle. Bitcoin has not gone below the previous all-time high of its previous cycle. Bitcoin actually did that in 2013, 2014. Let me show you guys here. Bitcoin actually did that in 2013, 2014. It got to the high here in 2013, and when it went and set another new all-time high, they came for the bear market. It went below the previous all-time high. So this is not the first time Bitcoin is doing it. So you might see Bitcoin stop around the $11,000 region. Guys, altcoins are tanking very, very hard right now, but altcoins are still not dumping as hard as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is very, very crazy if you think about it. Taking a look at the Bitcoin market cap chart, it's telling us that Bitcoin has not gotten to its previous all-time high on its market cap valuation, and from the bottom of Bitcoin market cap valuation, Bitcoin was going for as low as $54 billion. The whole of Bitcoin's market cap was $54 billion. It went to as high as $1.27 trillion. That was over a 2,200% pump. Right now, Bitcoin has not gotten to its previous all-time high on its market cap, and Bitcoin still needs to dump around 8 to 7% before it gets its previous all-time high. Maybe that's where we'll see a bottom on the dollar price chart. If Bitcoin drops another 7-8%, we'll see Bitcoin dropping to around $17,000, and that will be a very, very good support for Bitcoin. But guys, the problem is that stablecoin dominance is going into new highs. This is crazy if you think about it, and this is not good for the crypto market. Stablecoin dominance is at the top stablecoins in the market, and their dominance in the market is increasing, and what it means is that a lot of people are running to stable coins. The market is risk off. A lot of people are scared of the dump. And anytime we see stablecoin dominance getting to new all-time highs, the market dumps very hard. But there's good news after that. After the market dumps very hard, then comes a lot of pumps. We're going to pump very hard after the dump, but we have to experience the pain for us to experience the pump. Anytime the stablecoin dominance is coming to its 100-day moving average, guys, that's when the market is actually pumping and should be selling. All the time stablecoin dominance has dumped from a new high to its 100-day moving average, that's when the market will be pumping out. Expect stablecoin dominance to dump in the future. It can't keep going up forever. I don't think it can keep going up forever. At some point in time, to turn on itself, and we'll see the market pumping. Guys, the total crypto market has not gotten to its previous all-time high that it got in 2018. Total crypto market is at $810 billion at the point of recording of this video. The previous all-time high for the total crypto market is at $750 billion. Are we going to touch the previous all-time high? Is the dump over? If the dump is not over, guys, we might end up going to Goblin Town. We might go as low as $550 billion for the total crypto market. Just for context sake, guys, in this bull run alone, Bitcoin's market cap got to as high as $1.25 trillion. Right now, the whole of crypto is less than $1 trillion. Crazy, the dump that have happened in the last 6 months. You can see the total crypto market from the top of the market is down over 70%. Wild if you think about it, it's down 73%. And the US dollar currency index is at a crucial point, and we don't want to see it breaking this level. If it breaks this level, it's going to new highs. We don't want to see that, because if the dollar breaks into new highs, guys, crypto market will keep dumping. And history has shown that anytime the dollar is breaking into new highs, the crypto market is dumping. And anytime the dollar is dumping on itself, it means the crypto market is pumping. And right now, crypto market is dumping on itself, and the dollar is at a crucial point. We don't see it breaking into new highs. We'll know whether to break into new highs on Monday, but right now this is a very, very crucial level. It's an 702 retracement from the crash it started having in June 2001, and it bottomed here in April 2008. Right now we're in the 702 retracement. If we break into new highs, that's crazy bad for crypto. Guys, Bitcoin dominance actually dumping. I think this is a setup for the altcoins. Yes, Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Is dumping. We're happy if you're holding altcoins. It means altcoins are not dumping as hard as Bitcoin, or altcoins are pumping better than Bitcoin, or altcoins are not moving and Bitcoin is dumping. Right now, it looks as if Bitcoin is dumping, altcoins are not moving. But guys, if we see a reversal in the Bitcoin dominance going to new highs, because I believe we're getting this done because Bitcoin dominance is gearing up to going to new highs. If we see Bitcoin dominance breaking into 50-60% level, we're going to see carnage in the altcoin market, and the market is still in extreme fear. The fear and greed index is showing a value of 6. This might be our lowest reading ever on the crypto fear and greed index. Crazy. We've been in crazy extreme fear. I think this is the lowest we've probably ever seen. 6. We might get a lower figure tomorrow. Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think the bottom of Bitcoin is in? Bitcoin has currently dropped below $19,000. Right now, it's at $18,700. How low will this dump go? Ethereum has gone below $1,000. It's going for $980 before I finish recording this video. Do you think the dump is over, or do you think this weekend is going to be really bloody? Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.